my friends, welcome. We are here in the kitchen in which I made a series in cooperation with my wife about the kitchen organization, and this video is an annex to the video how to repair a plug which is not holding well in the wall, and this video will detail the case of plugs which are put into partition walls. And very often in these type of walls it is surfaced with a certain thickness, and in case there's a plug inside, you will need this cavity box or wall mounting box, because without this cavity box you won't be able to make that the plug is holding. Let's go. So the cavity box is looking like this. Please note that there are two different functions in terms of screws. These screws here will enable to hold within the partition wall. These little wings here will go out and then they will go up. So this is for holding the cavity box within the partition wall. So here it's the same. And then these two screws are here for holding the plug. So it's quite straightforward. You put the plug inside. Here it's a switch, but it doesn't matter. It's the same principle for the mounting. And then you will just open these screws here for fixing them on the top, so that it's holding the plug. And be careful, normally the plugs have the possibility for being fixed on all sides. But nevertheless, in case you have an old plug where there are only two sides, make sure that you are mounting the cavity box in the right direction, which means here in this example, here are the flaps for holding within the partition wall. So then you should put them vertically so that you can put the plug horizontally. It will be fixed here in these holes. Also to be noted, there are here some plastic pieces that you can remove very easily, even only with a hand, and this will enable the wires to go through. So when you're installing the cavity box, remove the part which is most suitable for putting the wires inside. Now if I'm tightening the screw on the top, this will move the flaps higher, and this will make that the cavity box is holding in the partition wall. Demonstration. Once you have done this, you can pull out the screws which will hold the plug. Then you can put the plug here. Be sure that these little feet are not going out. Okay. Here the screws are too big for this model, so I'm inserting the model. Normally it's easier to do like this, and then you put the screws back. And now it's holding really in a very solid way. That's it, my friends. This video is now finished. In case you want to know more about what is inside a simple plug, I can only invite you to have a look at the next video. Having said that, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.